True love is as simple as black and white with this custom stenciled wedding silhouette project from Oak Lane Studio. On a protected surface, spray the underside of your custom stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Next, position your stencil on your artboard and secure in place. Thoroughly shake your bottle of Black Americana Acrylic Paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Gradually pick up more and more paint with your high-density foam roller until it's evenly coated. Remove excess paint by rolling the brush repeatedly on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the roller can result in blotchiness or paint bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color using numerous light coats, frequently changing the direction that the roller is moving. Proceed until the color is dense and even throughout. Once completed, carefully peel away the stencil to reveal your romantic new sign. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.